Hello friends, today we are going to start class 12 chapter 3rd matrix. Today I will define all the types of matrix and what is a matrix. Now firstly I am telling about the definition of matrix. Matrix and plural of matrix is known as matrices. Yes, matrix is an ordered rectangular array of number. Which number? Real or complex, can be any number, or function, which are known as entries or elements. It is denoted by capital letter and in square bracket, means this one. What I said here, this is ordered rectangular array where some entries will be there, yeah, elements, we can say two elements. It is denoted by always capital letter and in this type of bracket, square bracket. Now in other words I am defining again what is a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n, where m means rows, n means columns. Clear? A matrix having m rows and n columns, and order is defined by m by n. M is always in the form of horizontal and n always form of vertical. Clear? M always in form of horizontal and n means columns always in form of vertical. See, I have written, and this is a form of matrix. Aij. I means rows, J mean column. I mean row, J mean column. Clear? Means element. It will tell about that element you have to tell. Clear? Now A is a matrix. It is denoted by capital letter is equal to this typo. This is a journal matrix. It will start from first element 1 1, 1 2, 1 3 up to 1 n, because 1 is not changing, but 1 2 3 it is going up to n. N can be any number. Similarly 21 22 23 up to 2n, 31 32 33 means here 1 2 3 counting is going on and this number is being same. Similarly here, but at the end you will see m will come from this row and n will come from this row. So this is your last element. Clear? M means rows, n means columns. These are rows, horizontal way, and these are columns. Clear? I means row, J mean column. If they are saying about 1 2, A1 2, it means this one element. Clear? First is describing about row A1, A1 2 means first row, second element. Clear? First row, second element. Now I will define some examples to clear it about that one by doing some examples. Firstly we are telling about types. Yes, first type is column matrix. Column. It is clear from the name, a matrix having only one column. A matrix having only one column, this is known as column matrix. Suppose 1 0 7. How many rows are here? Rows you will see horizontal. How many columns are here? Only single. You know you have to see rows in horizontal manner and column you have to see in vertical manner. So how many columns are here? Only single column is here. So this is known as column matrix. A matrix having only one column. Clear? Row doesn't matter to us, but column we want only one. In which matrix? Column matrix. Clear? Next is row matrix. Now same here, a matrix having only one row. One row. Column doesn't matter. Column can be any. 1 4 7 5. How many rows are here? You know row you will observe in horizontal. Only one row is here. But column 4 are here. But it doesn't matter to us. We want only row matrix It means only one row you want. Clear? Next is square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows and columns are equal. You know what is row? Row means m, column means n. If they will be equal, then you will say square matrix. You know sum of sides will be, all sides will be equal. Square matrix. Here rows will be equal to your columns. See, I have given one example A. This is matrix. How many rows are here? 2. How many columns are here? 2. So its order is 2 by 2. Firstly you will write row, then column. 2 by 2. Yes? Square matrix where number of rows is equal to number of columns, and it is defining the order. Firstly you will write number of rows, then multiply by number of columns. This is the order of matrix. And one more example of square matrix. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. Clear? 3 by 3. This is known as square matrix where rows will be equal to column. Now rectangular matrix. A matrix in which number of rows are not equal to number of columns. Like m not equal to n. M is what? Row. N means column. See, I have taken example. How many rows are here? 2. How many columns are here? 3. So order is 2 by 3. Firstly you will write rows, then columns. Now see this one more example. How many rows? You will see, observe. Yes. How many? 3. Very good. Because you know you have to see in horizontal manner. 3 rows, column how many? Only single column is here. Clear? Rectangular matrix where number of rows will not be equal to number of columns only. It doesn't matter कि rows ज़्यादा है या column. It doesn't matter to you. Clear? It can be any. इनमें से कोई भी हो सकता है, चाहे रो ज़्यादा हो चाहे कॉलम ज़्यादा हो, डजेंट मैटर. बट इन रेक्टेंगुलर रोज विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू कॉलम्स. नेक्स्ट इज डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ए आई जे एम बाय एन is said to be diagonal matrix. In short form you can write it. This matrix is known as diagonal matrix if all the elements except those in leading diagonal are 0. That is aij is equal to 0 where I not equal to j. Clear? See, what is this? This is a matrix. Order is what? 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 by 3. In diagonal matrix you will see this is your principal diagonal. Diagonal, principal diagonal. All the elements must be 0 but except in leading diagonal. मतलब जो डायगोनल में एलिमेंट्स आ रहे हैं वो 0 नहीं होने चाहिए, बाकी सभी को हम क्या लेंगे? 0. एंड आई हैव क्लियर्ड ऑल्सो कि ए आई जे इज इक्वल टू 0 वेयर आई नॉट इक्वल टू जे. जहाँ पे आई जे के इक्वल नहीं है. सपोज व्हाट इज दिस एलिमेंट? यू नो दिस इज योर 1 1, दिस इज योर 1 2, दिस इज योर 1 3, दिस इज योर 2 1, दिस इज योर 2 2, दिस इज योर 2 3. yes, this is your 3 1, this is your 3 2, this is your 3 3. Now see, aij will be 0 if I not equal to 0. See, what is here? I1 J2. Is it equal? No. So answer will be 0. This will also be 0. But here 1 1 same. So it will be other number except 0. Clear? Getting? If I not equal to J, then it will be 0. This is known as diagonal matrix. See, 3 3. Same are here, na? Here also, here also. But except 3. In diagonal all are 0. Next is scalar matrix. A scalar matrix aij m by n is said to be scalar if all the diagonal elements are equal. Now from this you can see all the diagonal elements will not be 0, but in scalar all the diagonal elements must be equal. Same it will be. Clear? except these all will be 0, but these must be same. Order can be any, but it is for scalar matrix. Now next is unit or identity. It is clear from name, unit means 1. So in place of this, what will be there? Unit या 1. So remember it, a square matrix in which all the diagonal elements are 1, other are 0. Here I told कि all will be same, any number can be there, but if it is 1, so this is known as unit या identity matrix. Next is zero matrix या null matrix. Zero matrix या null matrix. Yes, zero. It is clear from name कि every element will be 0. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix या null if each element is 0. How many rows? 2. How many columns? 2 by 2. How many rows? See, horizontally you have to see 2. How many columns? 1. So your order is 2 by 1. Zero matrix, each element या entry will be 0. Next is horizontal matrix. A matrix m by n is said to be vertical matrix या horizontal matrix if m is less than n. Yes, now you will think what is horizontal matrix. Horizontal matrix is that where rows will be less than columns, because this is known as horizontal matrix. When rows will be less than columns, you know m is your rows, n is your columns. So in horizontal matrix, rows will less than equal to column. Vertical matrix where rows will be greater than columns. See, this is just also looking like vertical matrix. This is horizontal because rows are more, and in vertical columns will be more. And I told, whenever you have to check rows, what will you check? Horizontal way. And when you have to check column, then you will see vertical way. Similarly here. Next is triangular matrix. It has two types. First one is lower, second one is upper. If Aij is equal to 0, where I less than 0, like this. See, when all the elements in principal diagonal and downside all will be non-zero, but others will be 0. Clear? I is less than 0. You see, A11, A12, A13. Clear? A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Clear? Now see, where I is less than j, this one also, and this one also. These are equal, and which are greater, then you will see all will not be 0. Clear? Only I when will be less than j. You know I is your first and j is your second. In this one, it means upper triangular, it will be shifted where I will be greater than j. I is your 2 1, 3 1, 3 2. It will be 0. Clear? Remember it. Lower matrix less than symbol L lower, L less. Upper means greater. Next is equality of matrices. Equality. Two matrices are said to be equal, like A equal to B, if their corresponding elements are identical, like Aij is equal to Bij. Suppose A matrix and B both are given. Yes, this is more important point. Order will be same always. So that's why after that you will equate them. Now see, what is the order of A? 2 by 2. And here also 2 by 2. Now you can compare the corresponding element. 1 is equal to x, 2 is equal to y, 3 is equal to z, 4 is equal to t. It means this is known as equality of matrix. I hope you are getting. This is easy to get.